Hi everybody, this is Jenny Abrams from Abrams Home Solutions, and today I am in a client's home office. I have been here for about 3 hours, and what we have done today is work out a paper filing system for her. So I have gone and worked with her on creating a system to better maintain her paper. We have created an action, a reference, and an archive system so that when she gets paper in, it's much easier for her to deal with the paper and get it off of her desk. The other thing that we did was we worked out a better system for the way the office looked. The office was a little bit cold and the client really wasn't too interested in spending a lot of time in here. So what we did was we staged the room so that she would be able to enjoy being in here and it would bring out a little bit more warmth. So I'm going to show you what the room looks like now. And when you walk in the door, her desk is over here. Now I know you didn't get to see what it looked like the first time around, but there was a lot of paper covering the floor. And you really couldn't see the floor very well because there wasn't a system in place to maintain the paper. So what we did was we created a filing system over here, and now she will be using this storage bin, and we went from piles and piles of paper to a very, very small amount of paper that will eventually go into this filing drawer. The other thing we did was we brought in a bench with a throw. We brought in a rug. So we warmed up the space with some color. We brought in some greenery over here with a candle and a lantern, and some family pictures, a plant. When I came into the room originally, the lamp was on the other side, and all of the furniture was pushed along the wall where the desk is. So we moved the furniture around so it wasn't so heavy on one side of the room, and we created a lot more warmth. Now this client is going to be able to utilize her desk better. She is going to be creating a file system over here where she will have all of her projects at her fingertips, and everything else that she needs to reference will be down in this file drawer, and all of the archival information will now be out of the room in a separate part of the home. So, as you can see, this is a much more functional, enjoyable space for this client to work. And if you have any questions or you would like to have your home office reorganized, give me a call. You can visit Abrams Home Solutions on my website and get a lot more information there. Thank you so much for joining me this afternoon. Bye-bye.